Hello, my name's Colin McGhee. I'm a master thatcher based out of Virginia. My company's called the Roof Thatchers, and we're here in Manning, Iowa, repairing the house barn.
This process with the roof refinishing started about 2 years ago. After a winter, we discovered that we really needed to do some things with the roof. We reached out to Colin, and finally, about 1.5 years, 2 years in the making, Colin was here and we got this job finished for the time being. You know, there's going to be continuing maintenance that will need to happen, but for the time being, we're good and secure, and we won't have any leaks or loose reeds at this point.
I knew it's a good roof because the Germans are pretty good thatchers and the pitch is excellent. So the damage didn't look too bad. Bit of a challenge at the top, it was very flat instead of peaked. So we're correcting that now. But besides that, the roof's in good shape. It's good for another 30 years at least with maintenance. And the guys yesterday cut this like forest here, so the airflow is going to be great for the roof. Dried out. It was rotting on the edge. There's no airflow, it was all in the shade. The roof's very thick and well done. When the reeds are long, we can pull the reeds out, cut the decayed ends off, and dress it back into place. Where it needed a patch, we put more reed in. But the main part's the ridge that we're doing. Cleaning up the roof, we're sweeping the decayed stuff off. We're using a lot of the thatch that was left here by the other thatchers. It's 25 years old, it's pretty good, but it's got all raccoon dust and it's not nice to work with. So we're mixing that with stuff that we brought, which is fresher, makes it really a bit more pliable. We're going to use that on the ridge cap, where you've got to bend it over.
Throughout this process, Colin has not only been very helpful with actually doing the work to the roof, but he's actually given us quite a bit of knowledge in regards to things we didn't realize about the roof. There were a little bit of discrepancies into how some of the spots of the roof were originally put on that we were able to identify and know how we need to properly maintain those moving forward. He also let us know that our big problem that we thought were squirrels were in fact raccoons. So we're learning how to mitigate that problem so we don't have the large holes in the roof, but knowing now what we need to do to move forward to get the maximum lifetime out of these reeds. It's been really great to have Colin and his crew here, but we also would not have been able to get this job done without a lot of community support. Our board of directors, of course, and a huge thanks to Mike Warner and Ben Puck, and actually Joni Warner also, who made sure these guys had everything they needed at any time, but also community, students, just people that thought this was an interesting process and decided to stop out and then lend a helping hand. Dale Henners for the use of some equipment, Ben Puck for the use of some equipment. This has been a huge collaboration, and it's been a lot of fun to watch.